case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
An interesting case concerning the Indiana Securities Act unfolded in 1995. The case pitched Johnson against Gary Colip, a securities lawyer who found himself in hot water over the role he played in the solicitation of investors for oil properties limited partnerships. Colip, who not only incorporated but also represented the corporation handling these partnerships, was tasked with the crucial job of drafting the prospectuses aimed at potential investors. Trouble brewed when the legitimacy of the prospects was called into question. Two separate complaints alleged that interests in the partnerships had been sold based on misleading information or omitted details in the prospectuses. This development triggered a crucial legal question. Was Colip just a lawyer providing legal services for his client? Or was he acting as an agent of the other defendants and materially aiding in the sale of securities in violation of the Indiana Securities Act? The journey to finding this answer was winding. Initially, the trial court gave its nod to Colip, acquitting him of any liability based on a previous case. However, the twists and turns were far from over as the lower court's verdict was reversed on appeal. The Indiana Supreme Court entered the fray, bringing a nuanced angle to the case. The justices emphasized that while attorneys who only provide legal services or draw up documents for securities transactions are not considered agents under the Indiana Securities Act, situations could change. If an attorney uses affirmative conduct or fails to act during a meeting with prospective investors, ultimately making it more likely for the investors to purchase the securities, they may be labeled as agents. As such, on this reasoning, the court decided that there was merit in revisiting Colip's role in the case. Their verdict, therefore, swung in favor of sending the case back to the trial court for further scrutiny. The court highlighted the existence of a genuine issue of material fact, pointing to the possible influence Colip's actions might have had in persuading or reassuring investors to buy the securities. Thus, the stage was set for another intense courtroom battle, as Colip was given the chance to prove, beyond reasonable doubt, his innocence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.